So the first trade is closed with profit. Well, it's done. One more trade is closed with profit. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, so now we are ready to start, and let's proceed with the first trading session, with the first trading pair for today. So we have opened buy position on the BHD CNI currency pair. We have invested $180 in this buy order. Why did we do this? First of all, you can clearly see that we were in a very strong downgoing movement, which was stopped by the strong level of support. First attempt to break through it was a failure. After this, we tried to break through the support lines on the second time, but once again we failed to do this. So that's why after this, according to the master bounce strategy, I decided to open buy position, expecting the potential reverse from this point and beginning of the very nice growing movement. So that's why we have opened buy position. As you can see, our entry point is absolutely safe, because as soon as we have opened this buy position, price started growing immediately. So that's why our entry point is absolutely safe. So the first trade is closed with profit, and we have around $345 on the accounts, and we are ready to move forward, because for the start it's quite a nice amount of money that we have already earned. Let me check JOD CNI. Fine, here the price is moving in the flat channel without any direct movement. Let me change our investment from $180 to $345, and let me open buy position. Well, it's done. One more trade is closed with profit, and we have $663 on the account. This is really nice. Trying to open the position at the AUD CHF currency pair. And as you can see, we are moving at the declining channel right now. So that's why, according to the Williams, we still have some space for the potential drop, but actually it's better to open buy position, because price is already slightly oversold, and moreover, now price is hitting the upgoing trend line. So that's why from these points we're highly likely to start growing, because this is not only the upgoing trend line, but this is also the support line zone. And I don't think that sellers have enough power to break through it right now. So that's why I decided to open buy position here exactly, and let's see what will we get from it. Well, it's done. One more trade is closed with profit. We have $1,272. As you can see, we're investing our whole deposit in each trade. Candle structure. Let me try to open sell position, because price has already broken through the two moving averages. Now the price is below two moving averages, and that means that we're currently in the sell zone. Moreover, we have already broken through the we failed to break through the middle line of the downtrend channel. We started receiving the pullback reaction from it, and now price has reversed. So now the price is moving towards the bottom line of the downtrend channel, and that's why I have open sell position, expecting the potential drop right now. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open description to it and subscribe to my private TG. Here you will find best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message to tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Open description right now, press on the link, and be with me. Okay, so what do we have? first of all, let me change our investment to $1,500 and let me try to open buy position according to the master balance strategy. Because according to that strategy, price is now staying on the support line zone. We have tried several times to break trade, but all of them were unsuccessful. So that's why now I am sure that we're highly likely to start growing from this point and receive a very strong pullback reaction from the support line zone. So that's it. $1,500 are invested, and we still have around $692 as a hedge asset left on the deposit. Okay, so this one was failure, and we lost $1,500. This was very tough, to be honest. Now we have around $692 left on the account. Okay, let us recover. Open AUD NZD currency pair, and according to this chart, we're moving in the declining channel. Let me change our investment to $500 and let me open sell position in the continuation of the current drop. Because as you can see, we're moving exactly in the downgoing channel. Now we were staying on the upper edge of this downgoing channel, which is also the trend line, downgoing trend line. So both of them forms a very strong resistance line zone, from which, of course, we have already opened sell position. So our entry point is really nice according to current candle structure. So it's done. We have $1,152. We have recovered a little bit. Let's continue. We still have time to do this. So once again, here we're moving in the downgoing channel. Now we're still staying on the upper edge of the downgoing channel. Let me change our investment to $800. And let me try to open sell position, expecting the potential pullback reaction from this zone. Once again, failure. Okay, so we have $352. Not so good trading session, to be honest, today, because as you can remember, we started with around $100 on the account, $180, and we have just made them twice during all this time. But anyway, you understand that not each day can be too much profitable for you. The main reason for you to trade is just to be always in profit. So today we're also in profit. So that's why, guys, if you want to have the best results in the trading sphere, open description to this video right now and subscribe to my private TG. I am waiting for you in my dream team. See you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.